If you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, I'm going to share with you some of my top luxury finds that you're not going to want to miss out on. If you're new here, I'm Liz and I love to shop at Dollar Tree, and you would be so surprised some of the great finds that you can pick up at Dollar Tree. One of my favorite luxury finds are the plates that they have at Dollar Tree. Lately, I've been loving these black ones. They have bowls. They also have two different sizes of plates. I think they look really high end. You can get a complete collection from Dollar Tree. Let me know if you've seen this new vase at your store. You probably think a vase like this you might find at Pottery Barn or Home Goods even. No, you can pick this up at Dollar Tree for $1.25. I love that it already has the nautical rope on it. It's so cute. You could get 3 of these, put them in a grouping, or just add one of them to any of your decor. This is a completely new product that you probably have not seen yet from Dollar Tree. This is an over-the-door hook, and what I think makes it a little bit different, one, it's really sturdy, and another thing, it comes in this matte black finish, which is really trendy right now. Can you believe you could pick this up for $1.25? This would be perfect in your bathroom. You could also use it in your room to hang up coats or anything extra you have. I think this is a great find. So bamboo toothbrushes and charcoal toothpaste are very popular right now, and if you're somebody who likes getting these but want to get them at an affordable price, you can pick them up at Dollar Tree. So bamboo toothbrushes are nice because they're biodegradable. They're also really good for the environment. You can buy them in a 1-pack at Dollar Tree. And then this charcoal toothpaste by Colgate is also available. Now it is in a smaller size, but if you're somebody who wants to try out charcoal toothpaste, this may be a great way to try it out and see if you like it. Macrame plant hangers are so popular. You can pick them up at Dollar Tree. I got the one in black. It has this little metal ring right here. It also comes in a couple other colors as well. You can use them indoor or outdoor. So if you don't want to make one, you can totally pick this one up, put in a planter, and I think these look so high end. When you buy them with the planter and the macrame put together, they can be expensive. So grab one of these, really inexpensive, and put in your own plant. If you love seeing this style of Dollar Tree videos, make sure to give me a thumbs up so I know to do more like it in the future. I cannot count the amount of times that I've bought this 11 by 14 frame at Dollar Tree because I've used it in so many DIYs. I think the reason why I like this one so much is this is the largest frame that you can pick up at Dollar Tree, the 11 by 14 size, and it's big enough to make a statement and look nice. A lot of times I like to get a couple and put them in a grouping, but definitely a good frame. It's pretty sturdy. You can also spray paint it to make it any color that you want, but a great deal at $1.25. I think anything with a marble finish just looks really high end. One of my favorite things at Dollar Tree is their vinyl shelf liner. I love to use this in my kitchen and my drawers. It really just finishes off my drawers and makes them look so nice, plus protects them. Dollar Tree has a lot of other marble items that you can grab as well in their office supplies section that I think look super high end. This is definitely the time of year to pick up your succulents at Dollar Tree. There's a bunch of different styles. This one is my favorite. I feel like I use this one the most, but they're so great to add to any DIYs or little planters to put out in groupings of your decor. But if you have trouble keeping plants alive, these succulents are perfect to add a little bit of greenery to your home. Organization is really something that can be so expensive. That's why I love picking it up at Dollar Tree because I buy so much organization because I love to organize my house. This is a new organization item that I found at Dollar Tree that I think is pretty cool. It comes in the pink. It also comes in blue and gray. It has these nice handles on it. You could get several of these, put them in a grouping, and they would look really good in your cabinet or even just sitting out to store or organize items. Recently, I did a TikTok where I was showing myself purchasing this in store. If you guys aren't following me on TikTok, I have an account at Fenwick DIY, and I'm all the time showing like my Dollar Tree finds. So if you're on TikTok, make sure you follow me there. But this vase is so cool. It's ombre, so it goes from like pink to purple. This is so pretty. I think it would be great in my girls' room, but even just sitting out, I think it's a gorgeous vase. $1.25, like I cannot believe it's that inexpensive for what you get. Have you ever checked out the Pottery Barn website for how much they charge for seashell and fillers? It is expensive, but they're definitely a high-end look that I love to add to my decor. You can pick up packs of seashells at Dollar Tree for $1.25. You can also get this pack of white rocks. I love using these. They look great for vase fillers. You can even spray paint them. I've done that before and add them to your different DIY projects. If someone asked me what product at Dollar Tree do I think is some of the best deals, the best bang for your buck, I would probably say their planters, because Dollar Tree recently has come out with a bunch of different styles that are really nice that I love using inside my home as well as outside. This one with this little basket weave details is one of my favorites. Look how big this is. Like, I think this is a really good size. You could put a fairly large plant in here. If you want to spray paint it, you can to kind of fit the decor colors in your home, but these are a great buy and they look super high end. If this body lotion was $3, I would probably go ahead and buy it. I love this Dove body lotion. This is a thick cream that I love to use. I keep it beside my bed and it's perfect to like put on my hands and feet at night, and you can get it at Dollar Tree. I usually always find it, so I definitely recommend this and think it's a great deal. Did you guys know I post new videos on Mondays and Thursdays? If you love decorating and DIY videos, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Now, usually I'll tell you to pick up nautical rope and macrame off of Amazon if you want it in a larger spool. But if you're just wanting a little bit, Dollar Tree is a great place to get it. When you add these ropes to different decor pieces, they look so high end. I love using nautical rope for my rope trays. And my macrame I love using in my wall hangings. Dollar Tree sells a 2-pack of velvet hangers. I love using velvet hangers in my closet because they honestly allow you to put more things in there. Plus, I love it when all of my hangers are uniform. They all look the same color and size, so you can pick these up at Dollar Tree. I can't believe it's already over. Dollar Tree has a lot of seasonal candy out, but they also have a lot of high-end candy that you can pick up really inexpensively that are great for throwing into gift baskets or giving alone or just for yourself. I love this little ombre tote bag. It looks really high-end. It's super affordable. They sell something comparable on Amazon that's a lot more expensive, and you can use this to put your produce in when you're shopping at the store. One of the best luxury items at Dollar Tree are their glass jars. They come in so many different varieties. This one is super cute. You can pick up for $1.25. I love getting jars like this and putting them in a grouping of 3 or 5. I just think they look so nice sitting out. Let me know down in the comments which products am I missing? What high-end products do you like to pick up at Dollar Tree? And I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.